My name is Jake Kavalovic.
My name is Matt.
My name is Justin Sonic.
My name is Hannah Zawatsky.
My name is Titus LeMay.
My name is Jordan.
My name is Lori Consulman.
My name is Chris. My name is Ryan.
My name is Diane Datlinger.
My name is Sam, and I am the owner of Glenshaw Auto Service.
My happy place is at our camp in Clarion. It's a house that is off the beaten path, and we're close to the river. We can float and or just sit by a campfire, so that's my favorite place to hang.
I would say on a beach or an island somewhere near the water and the sand, and somewhere that's peaceful.
Probably at home with my fiance and dog.
My happy place is in my garage at home, tinkering with whatever project I'm working on at that time.
On a mountain bike.
Sitting on a lake fishing. On the bank. Not in a boat.
Honestly, probably just at home with my dog and my wife.
In the woods somewhere. Hiking.
My first car was a Pontiac G8 2009.
1994 Ford Crown Victoria.
My first car was a 2012 Honda Civic.
My first car was a 1988 BMW 725i, the biggest piece of crap.
Don't laugh. A Citation X11.
GMC S15. First car was a 1971 Mustang.
The fastest would probably have to be Jordan. I'd say he's probably the fastest guy here.
Probably Jordan.
I don't really know the answer to that. I would say probably Jordan or me.
Probably Jordan.
I don't know if we've ever put it down to the time, but I'd say between me, Jake, and Justin.
Jake.
I'd have to say Sam. Not real clear on that one, but I think it would be Sam.
Jordan.
Diane.
Probably Justin, maybe Jordan.
Me.
Probably Diane, because she's the most cautious.
I would say Diane is the best driver.
Probably Justin.
Justin, probably.
I'd say Diane.
Probably Diane. I would say Diane.
The best driver? Yeah, it's probably me.
Matt.
Matt.
Matt, hands down.
By far, Matt.
Definitely Matt.
Oh, I don't want to throw anyone under the bus.
A lot of people have said Matt.
It is Matt. It's definitely Matt.
It's like...